If you want to start using the paid version of Card, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discounts available. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Discord to Card. As you can see here, I have a blank container. Now, to add a link, just simply click the plus button and then select the links. And then after that, under the label, type Discord for identity. And then above the URL, you can see here the input box. In that box, you will paste your Discord account. Assumingly, I already log in my Discord account here in my web browser. Now, to get the link, just simply copy the address link on the tab and then paste it to the URL box. And also, if you want to have a responsive button or a responsive link, just simply avail the paid version of Card. To emphasize the link for Discord, I applied colors and I resized it to a larger size and make it bolder. And that's it. That's how you link Discord in Card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.